So in the problem here, we're asked to find the percent error. So we have Kristen was conducting an experiment. She estimated that there would be 6 students who would select the color green. 10 students ended up selecting the color green. What was her percent error? So we have the percent error formula below. And when we're using the formula, we have to identify 2 key parts of the formula. What's the approximate value? And what's the exact value? Now, if you go back in the problem, it's going to say she estimated that there would be 6 students who selected the color green, meaning our approximate value, the estimate, is 6. It's then going to say there ended up being 10 students that selected the color green. So we have our exact value, the exact number of students that selected the color green. So now we're ready to plug in and use our formula. We have 6, which is our approximate value, minus the exact value, which in this case is 10, over the exact value, which once again is 10, and then last but not least, we're going to multiply by 100 at the end to end up with a percent. So now we'll simplify. 6 minus 10 is going to end up giving us -4 over 10, and then last but not least, times 100. -4 divided by 10, that would leave us with -0.4 times 100. Last but not least, -0.4 times 100, that would leave us with -40%. Now, when we're talking about a percent error, we're not going to include that negative. We're going to say there was a percent error of 40%. And if you're saying, why is there a negative? Well, if we go back in the original problem, it says she estimated 6 students, and there was actually 10. So her estimate was lower, which makes sense why we're dealing with that negative value. But the percent error was 40%.